In this video, I'll show you how to create a creative opening where hand-drawn strokes sweep across the screen and reveal your video in a smooth and artistic way. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the reveal feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Stroke Reveal, then apply it. Once applied, animated strokes move across the screen, gradually uncovering the video underneath with a clean and expressive motion. Use the duration slider to control how fast the strokes are drawn. Shorter duration makes the reveal energetic and quick. Longer duration slows it down, making the animation feel smoother and more cinematic. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the stroke motion flows naturally with your visuals or music. And that's it. You've successfully added a stroke reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.